Windows comes with a decent set of built-in tools, but let's be real, sometimes those default apps just don't cut it. They can feel clunky, limited, and outdated. In this video, I'm gonna hook you up with 7 incredible Windows tool alternatives that'll change the way you use your PC. We're talking lightning-fast file searches, next-level clipboard management, powerhouse screenshot tools, and more. So if you're ready to unlock the true potential of your Windows experience, buckle up, because things are about to get awesome. First up, let's talk about file search. Windows search? It exists, but it can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where everything comes in. This free and lightweight tool changes the game. Instant results as soon as you hit enter. Its super fast indexing engine scans your entire drive in seconds. You can search by file type, date modified, size, you name it. This is your command center for finding anything on your PC instantly. Next up, let's talk about the clipboard. The default Windows clipboard, it's stuck in the Stone Age. That's why we need Ditto. This clipboard manager lets you store multiple entries, search through history, paste plain text, create custom hotkeys, and sync across devices. It's like having an unlimited, searchable, and synchronized clipboard at your fingertips. Game changer. For all you content creators, students, or anyone who takes screenshots regularly, this one's for you. Say goodbye to the snipping tool because ShareX is here. ShareX lets you capture full screen, select regions, even specific windows with pixel-perfect accuracy. You can also record your screen, create GIFs, and extract text from images using OCR. ShareX makes sharing a breeze. Upload your captures directly to Imgur, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. It has powerful annotation tools, customizable hotkeys, and a sleek interface. ShareX puts the snipping tool to shame. Chapter 4. Sumatra PDF. The lightweight PDF powerhouse, the built-in PDF viewer in Edge. It gets the job done, but it can be sluggish. Sumatra PDF is all about speed, simplicity, and a minimal footprint. Lightning-fast loading times, even for large documents. Sumatra still packs essential features like bookmarking, searching, printing, and different viewing modes. Let's talk media playback. Windows Media Player is showing its age. VLC is here to save the day. This open-source media player plays virtually any audio or video format. No more hunting down codecs or dealing with compatibility issues. VLC is packed with features like customizable playback speed, audio and video adjustments, and streaming content. Managing audio in Windows can be a pain. The default volume mixer lacks finesse. Ear Trumpet gives you granular control over your audio. Adjust the volume of individual apps, route audio to different devices, and set custom hotkeys. Ear Trumpet seamlessly integrates with Windows 10 and 11. Last but not least, we have to talk about Power Toys. This suite of tools developed by Microsoft enhances your Windows experience. Fancy Zones lets you create custom window layouts. Power Rename makes batch renaming a breeze. Power Toys Run is a keyboard launcher on steroids. Power Toys is a must-have for anyone who wants to level up their productivity game. So there you have it, 7 incredible Windows tool alternatives that will transform the way you use your PC. These apps enhance your productivity, streamline your workflow, and make your digital life smoother. Most of these tools are completely free. Head over to the links in the description below. Try out these awesome tools, and let me know in the comments which ones are your favorites. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Peace out.